NASA's proposed date of 2024 to land humans on the moon has always felt extremely ambitious. Now, a new report from the NASA Office of Inspector General says the spacesuits NASA astronauts would need for the endeavor won't be ready until April 2025 at the earliest. SpaceX founder Elon Musk suggested his company could step in to help. A recent report points out delays in the development of the Artemis moon spacesuits due to funding shortfalls, COVID impacts, and other technical challenges. NASA had previously hyped up the suits, which were known as Exploration Extravehicular Mobility Unit, in 2019. NASA has been willing to work with commercial providers on big space projects, from delivering astronauts and cargo to the ISS to delivering hardware to the moon. In July, NASA said it would embrace commercial partnerships to optimize spacesuit technology and inspire pioneering in the space market. So Musk's SpaceX offer is within the realm of possibility. Astronauts on board the International Space Station use spacesuits designed 45 years ago for the Space Shuttle program, the report noted. The IG also highlighted that those spacesuits have been refurbished and partially redesigned over the past decades to continue working. The space agency has started 3 different spacesuit programs since 2007. The Inspector General found and has spent $420.1 million on development since then. Additionally, the report said NASA's plan to invest approximately $625.2 million more on development, testing, and qualification to complete a suit for demonstration on the ISS and 2 suits for crewed missions to the moon, for a total cost of over $1 billion through about 2025. The Artemis program is a layered endeavor. NASA has been working on its SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft to carry astronauts back to our lunar neighbor. The rocket system has also seen its share of delays, though NASA officially hopes to launch an uncrewed around the moon Artemis 1 mission later this year. It is one thing entirely to send a spacecraft to the moon, and another to safely deliver astronauts to the moon's surface and then bring them back home. The new spacesuits, which are meant to greatly enhance astronaut mobility and comfort compared to the Apollo-era suits, are a key component for human lunar exploration. No spacesuits, no moonwalks. So what about the futuristic suits worn by astronauts for the Crew Dragon mission? Can they use those? The answer is no. Those slick suits are just designed for use inside the SpaceX capsule known as the Crew Dragon, and they are not suitable for use on spacewalks, let alone the moonwalk. Their primary purpose remains the same: to protect crew members from depressurization where the air is lost from the capsule. The suits also ensure astronauts have sufficient oxygen and regulate their temperature. A communications link and breathable air are provided via a single umbilical cable in the seat that plugs into the suit. It's nearly impossible to see a thin, slick suit used for any kind of spacewalk. Spacesuits need to protect the person from temperature extremes outside the walls of the spacecraft. It is also designed to provide some shielding against micrometeorites and other small particles of space debris. And of course, pressurization and many other instruments will make this nearly impossible to build one thin and futuristic suit which could be used for spacewalks. Next time on Discover Zen, we will be discussing how Elon Musk's SpaceX Starship is the key to the success of NASA's Artemis mission. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked what you saw, click that like and subscribe button. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the latest spacesuit technology. Until next time,